So, Ruchi, you look beautiful, firstly. So,
Thank you.
yeah, just want to understand, like, who is Ruchi, and before she stepped into community building, Ruchi ko kisme ruchi thi? So, yeah,
बिफोर गेटिंग इनटू कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग रुचि को बहुत सारी बातें करने में रुचि थी. आई लव टू मेक फ्रेंड्स, आई लव टू टॉक अ लॉट. आई कैन टॉक विथ यू ऑन एनी टॉपिक. हम कुछ भी बात कर सकते हैं. बस पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. एंड अगर उसमें कोई ऐसा टॉपिक है जैसे जिसके बारे में लोग कम बात करना चाहते हैं और वो जरूरी है, देन तो आई एम मोर इंटरेस्टेड टू टॉक अबाउट इट.
yes. I think whenever we have a call, right? Like whenever I have a call with Ruchi, I'm like, नहीं, next 1 hour तो मुझे like free रखना पड़ेगा, because मतलब हम लोग बात करते हैं तो बात करते ही रहते हैं and खत्म ही नहीं होती हमारी बातें. And every time
सारी बात करते हैं.
and every time I talk to her, like पता नहीं, like it's like कि मेरा मूड अच्छा हो जाता है, and it's like the world is suddenly a la 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 land and everything is good. So yeah. So tell us a bit about yourself. Like what does your life look like? And yeah.
We have one life, so there is no place for negativity. छोटी सी तो जिंदगी है, कितना सोचेंगे. एंड बहुत कुछ करना है, अगर उसमें हम कुछ अच्छा नहीं कर पाएंगे तो फिर क्या ही मतलब है. दिस इज द बेसिक फंडा ऑफ माई लाइफ. सो आई लव टू टॉक अ लॉट, आई लव टू रीड अ लॉट. आई एम into music, and सबसे important, I'm mother to 5-year-old. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा important है कि मैं क्या एग्जाम्पल सेट कर रही हूँ शुभ के लिए. तो जो मेरा डेली लाइफ है वो बहुत इस थॉट के साथ होता है कि ही इज लुकिंग एट मी बीइंग अ होम मेकर. मैं कभी नहीं चाहती कि वो मेरी तरफ देखे, अच्छा मम्मा तो घर पे ही रहती है. वो चीज़ बहुत, वो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट या वो उसने कैसे देखना चाहिए फीमेल्स को, वो एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है मेरी लाइफ का. वो उसके होने के बाद वो बहुत बड़ा चेंज आया. एंड ये सब चीज़ें बहुत मैटर करती है. हम क्या सोचते हैं, हमारा डेली लाइफ कैसे, हमारे किड्स हमें देखकर बड़े होते हैं. तो यस, दिस इज व्हाट माय प्लेस ऑफ इंटरेस्ट.
That's wonderfully put, Ruchi. तो कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग कहाँ से आई इस पूरे जर्नी में?
When I got pregnant, मैंने थोड़ा सा अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना स्टार्ट किया था. प्रो ईव्स करके एक मैगजीन था, ई मैगजीन, उसने मेरा फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू शेयर किया था, माय फर्स्ट आर्टिकल. एंड तब मुझे बहुत सारी क्वेरीज आई थी रिलेटेड टू प्रेगनेंसी, IVF एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड तब मुझे हिट हुआ कि इसके बारे में बात करनी चाहिए. देन आई स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग ब्लॉगिंग, इंस्टाग्राम, और आई रियलाइज कि यार ऐसा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है जहाँ पर मॉम ब्लॉगर्स कुछ सीख सकती है और बहुत इजीली अपना पैशन आगे कंटिन्यू कर सकती है. देन आई केम अक्रॉस लाइक माइंड. So whatever I am today, they have actually invested a lot of their time and patience in me. मैंने हर छोटी चीज उनसे सीखी. And like mind gave me the perfect platform. मेरे पैशन के लिए, इस ड्रीम के लिए, जहाँ पे I can create a space for mom bloggers, a secure, free space. And this way I got into community management. मैंने पारस से सीखा सब कुछ. हिमांशु, पारस, निपुन, they have just introduced this idea to me. They build this trust that I can do it, and this is perfect for your passion, perfect for your dream. So they have turned me to Momshares Club.
That's awesome, Ruchi. तो एक बात बताइए, like मतलब उस दिन I was opening Momshares का website, and I think I called you as well, if I'm not wrong. कि मैंने वो देखा कि you had this beautiful video put up of your members dancing on वो बहुत ही popular that Instagram. I always forget the name of it. Yes, I go. They were dancing on that song, and like that was such a beautiful, that was such a beautiful scene, and that just made me so happy. So I want to understand कि what values do Momshares bring into the lives of members, which is what makes them stay back and continue their continue paying for membership?
सबसे फर्स्ट चीज जो मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है इज टू हैव दैट बॉन्ड जो मेंबर्स का आपस में है. यू नो, दे मीट लाइक माइंडेड पीपल एंड दे नो कि अच्छा वी आर नॉट अलोन इन दिस. Other than that, at Momshares Club, no, we provide curated sessions for our members. We have a panel of experts. हमारे पास कुछ experts हैं, mentors हैं, from different domains. जैसे we have digital marketing expert, Anshika is there. Social media expert के लिए निकिता है. Entrepreneurship expert है. Health and well-being के लिए we have a physiotherapist. We have a child nutritionist. We have a phonics expert जो बच्चों की speech therapy के लिए है. So, you know, these mentors, they take webinars on the area of their expertise. They share their tips every day. हर अपने related topic के. And there is always a different, unique takeaways from each and every session. We are also, you know, we also share parenting tips related and other hacks related to जो day-to-day activities होती है जो females को, moms को लगती है. And even on professional front, we share some, tips every day कि आपको Instagram में क्या कैसे करना है. आपकी कुछ queries है वो हमारे mentors solve करते हैं. Apart from this, our members are very active in terms of sharing their feedback and insights. जैसे काफी members, we give them space to host their webinars on behalf of Momshares Club. तो वो एक बहुत अच्छा experience है उनके लिए. In area of their expertise, they have that free space. It is their community, so you know they can explore it as host also, as mentor also, and you know this keeps going. I mean, यही तो essence है Momshares Club का. We evolve. इसके अलावा we have set of volunteers who are real, you know, they are life of Momshares Club. They keep this everything alive. जो आपने reel बोला, it was planned by volunteers. They wanted to show कि people should know हम कैसे chill करते हैं community में, हमारे bonds कैसे हैं. And then Aiko happened. So it was very instant and it was a lot of fun. मतलब volunteers keep planning and execution वाला part उनके पास होता है. काफी कुछ pipeline में भी है and we are still evolving. Momshares have long way to go.
Your members used to reach out to you for very personal issues, and how did you deal with that? With some of the personal problems that you told me about, like that you shared with me, that those were not things that you share and you just can't let it go. So how did you your while also actually problems for your members?
I was very disturbed with some of the incidents when they shared it with me, and moreover, I was helpless because I was not the right person to give any advice on those, on those topics, and that made me more firm. मुझे तब ये बहुत बुरी तरह लगा कि नहीं, मुझे बात करनी है रोज सबसे, क्योंकि वो लोग सिर्फ they just want someone जिसके साथ वो शेयर कर सके. मुझे सिर्फ सुनना है. And that was the time I started working on mentors, because there were certain issues, some relationship issues, some other issues जहाँ पे मैं help नहीं कर पा रही थी, and I started looking for experts. That's how we introduced mentors in the community. कि हर चीज का जवाब मेरे पास नहीं है, but I started looking for experts. So yes, while interacting with my members, this one thing positive that happened was we started mentorship program in the community.
Wow, that's wonderful. So Ruchi, tell me one thing. I think this is the problem that many community builders face, is कि when you are very much in contact with your community members, right? What happens is they start कुछ भी होता है, they start ping you. This is a problem. How to come out of it? So how do you ensure कि वो while they are reaching out to you, they know that first they should always reach out to the community for help, and there are also other people in the community who can help them with that problem, or something.
I have never kept that filter. ये था, every time you have something, you have to come straight to me, and then I make sure कि I'm just connecting them with right people, right person related to that topic. But yes, I get messages even at 1 o'clock at night, even at 2:30 at night, and I feel responsible for that. I feel सामने वाला मुझ पे trust करता है. That's why at this situation they have contacted me. So I was never offended with this. In fact, हर बार I make sure कि यार मुझे I have to give the right solution और I have to connect them with the right person. So being a community manager, I don't think you have any cheat to this. कि जहाँ पे you will be like कि ठीक है यार, you know, volunteers can see, mentors can see, or some other people can see. No, this is your community. वो आपको देख कर आए हैं. It is your responsibility. जरूरी नहीं आप हर चीज का जवाब. It is your responsibility.
I think that 1 a.m. message or that Sundays को reach out करना, it's a boon and a bane at the same time. It's a boon in the manner that your community members have turned into your friends now. So you know you can just any day call. You know they you know that you can call them up any day, and similarly they know that they can reach out to you anytime, and you know you can have a blast conversation. And that's why I think it's one of those professions where you don't actually have a Sunday. So just want to understand ki how do you also like balance your personal life apart from your community, and do you have any self-care practices where you know you just have time for yourself?
Just like I said, I have created this space for members, तो मुझे भी इसकी बहुत बार जरूरत पड़ती है. बहुत टफ हो जाता है. Shubh is just 5. I live in a joint family, and you know I belong to a very typical Madu family. So things are very tricky for me to balance. But I'm blessed with a very super supportive mom-in-law. So you know she handles things for me very well. My mom stays in local. So you know my both of my moms, they play very important role in my this background. जहाँ पे वो चीजें बहुत easily मेरे लिए manage कर लेते हैं. So yes, while you know if I talk about personal space, so my mom is my therapist. She have answer for all of my questions, my depression, my anxiety, my burnouts, and she's like she always listens to me. She'll never say this ठीक है ठीक हो जाएगा. She always has some really good solutions with this, and you need someone like this in your life. Yes, both of my mothers, they play a very important role, you know, being here.
Is there any story that's very, very close to your heart that just happened like after you became a community entrepreneur? Some incident that you know has stuck with you, and you're going to be like, hey, you know, I have come far from what
Yes. Last month I had a very severe burnout, and I was there to see someone else to handle mom shit stuff, and I'll give up. And at that time I got a call from a member. She was being conceived second time, and we had a long discussion because she was not ready to keep her pregnancy. And at that time I just connected her with a expert, and what that happened, and next day she texted me, just because of you, I'm just continuing this pregnancy. And I was, how stupid I was to give it up. And I'm so glad you connected me with such people. And I'm like, God, what is this? I mean, people are trusting me. I can't back out like that.
That's wonderful. So, Ruchi, this is the final question that I have for you, and also like people who are watching. What compliment would I'm sorry, I kept this as a surprise because I really wanted this to be like I want to see your face when you do it. So what is that one compliment you would like to give yourself today as a community builder? And people who are watching this is applicable to you as well. Write down one comment, or you know one compliment or one praise for yourself for whatever you have achieved as a community builder till date. So yeah, and on that note I think we'll be winding up the session.
You know, before community building, I was just a homemaker. Now I am a homemaker and a community builder. So you know that just makes me, wow, you are a homemaker. And you do this. This is what I really love when people like when they say this. I feel very happy. Yes, I am a homemaker, and this is my community.
I think I told Paris that hey, Ruchi wala session I'm going to take because she's my friend, and I think I have that.
Absolutely. That is really true, and I enjoyed this session. I really enjoyed it.